Okay guys, this is a overlock direct drive weaving machine. So I'm going to show you guys how to use it. It is different from the normal one that carries engine under. Hope you can see the under of this machine. It doesn't use engine. It doesn't have engine at all. So it can be used with low current. It can save power. Hope you can see the under. There is nothing like engine on it. Hope you can see it. Now look at how to use this machine. Here is the switch. If you can see, the other ones doesn't have switch. So you first of all turn on the switch. If you can see, it is on now. Yeah, the switch is on now. Hope you can see. Now hope you can see the plus sign. Yeah, the plus sign, the up one, the plus sign is to increase the speed. If you want it to run very fast, then the minus sign is to reduce the speed. Yes, that minus sign can also be if you want to do a local weaving. It can be used. You can use the low speed. Okay. Now to start using it after you have set the amount of speed you want it. This one is to lift the presser foot, while this red pedal is for it to move. Yes, this white one now. As I hope you can see, as I mash it, this presser foot raised up. Hope you can see it. Hope you can see now. I just raise it up by mashing it. That's the work of it. So now this one, this lead pedal. Hope you can see it. This lead pedal moves it. So you can weave with that one. Hope you can see that now. Okay, I'll be using now. Hope you can see the thread is set already. Everything is intact. So I'll be using a material to show you what that does. Now I match the one at my right. That white pedal is it raises this presser foot up. It raises it up. Okay. Now this one is to move it. So I'll be showing you with material. Now watch, the speed is low. I lower the speed like 25. Now okay, now watch and see the results. So the lower the speed, if you want to do inner weaving, so you lower the speed, then what we can see now, what I just did now is inner weaving. So if you want it to be normal English weaving, so if you want the weaving to be thick, then you hide the speed. So higher the speed, the tinier the thread becomes. Okay, hope you can see this right side is for to lace the presser foot up. Then the lead one is to move it, is for it to start moving. Hope you can see. Hope you can see it. So it is very simple. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. Next we'll be learning how to fix the thread. So enjoy your weaving. Hope you can see I can now weave. So I have a lot of cord to weave. So in short, I have a contract. So more than 200 and something plus. So I have to weave it. Hope you can see how the weaving is coming out neat. Very neat and simple. Very neat and simple.
This one, 400, that is 900. So go tell them. So, that's not my group, that's me and I know.